Hi, I'm Maureen Wanzala. I'm a flood researcher at the University of Reading. My job involves scientific modeling of river level data and climate data to produce information that is useful to the end users as well as policymakers for useful planning and adaptation measures. The best thing about my job is that I'm able to produce information from large climate data into graphics that are nice to look at by a naked eye, by a common person who doesn't really know what science is. And secondly, this information can be understood by a wider audience rather than when it is just into big data sets. And third, this information, we can deduce it from it useful information that can be used for adaptation measures or relevant decisions. I wish you knew that communicating science can be tricky and hard, because every other time I've been told that I use jargon in my communication. I am too technical. If someone told me before I did this science, that would have been great. At school, I studied biology, chemistry, physics, and geography. I love nature, I love weather, but I didn't understand what happens in the atmosphere. And that inspired me to sort of undertake a meteorology course when I was going to the university. And using my knowledge in meteorology, I wanted to reach a wider audience by producing what is relevant to the users or what will be used by someone else that is not a scientist. And so I ended up being a researcher to produce information that can be taken up by someone else.